Staring at your property title trying to make sense of bearings, distances, and coordinates. Wondering what N6212W533M actually looks like on the ground? Hi, I'm Vic from JEMM Builders. After building hundreds of homes across the Philippines, we created the JEMM Builders Lot Plotter, a free online tool that turns those confusing numbers into a clear visual map of your property, so you can make initial plans without professional help and without spending a single peso. And in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to use it, step by step. Here's what makes this tool different. You simply copy and paste your survey bearings directly from your title or survey plan, exactly as they appear, and our plotter does all the technical work for you. Within seconds, you'll see your complete lot boundary drawn to scale, every bearing and distance labeled on each line, the exact area of your property in square meters, precise coordinates for every corner point, a downloadable PDF you can share with your architect, engineer, or contractor. No need to understand angles, directions, or surveying terms. No need to hire someone to visualize it for you. The tool accepts standard Philippine survey formats, whether it's N6212W533M or S2748E10, and translates it into a map you can actually use. Take note, this is a visualization tool designed to help you understand your property better. It's not a replacement for professional surveying or engineering services. For official lot plans, surveying, and construction documents, you'll still need to work with a licensed geodetic engineer or civil engineer. This tool is essential when you're planning your house position and setbacks, verifying your lot matches what's written in your title, showing your architect or engineer the exact property shape, discussing boundaries with neighbors or surveyors, getting a preliminary understanding before hiring professionals. And because it's built by JEMM Builders, a company that lives and breathes Philippine construction every day, you know it's designed for lots exactly like yours. Step 1. Get your Transfer Certificate of Title, TCT. Alright, let's do this together. First thing you need is your Transfer Certificate of Title, your TCT. This is your official land title document. Now, flip to the technical description section. You'll see it's usually on the second or third page. This is where all the important information about your lot is written. The coordinates, bearings, and distances that legally define your property boundaries. See these lines here? This is what we're looking for. Important note about TCT formats. Now, if your TCT coordinates look like this, where everything seems jumbled up or not properly arranged in clean lines, don't worry, that's completely normal. A lot of older TCTs or scan copies look like this. The key is to just look for the line numbers. Line 1 to 2, line 2 to 3, line 3 to 4, and so on. Just focus on finding the bearings for each line. For example, for line 1 to 2, look for something like N6212W533M. For line 2 to 3, find N2748E10. And continue for each line. Don't worry about how messy it looks. As long as you can identify which bearing goes with which line number, you're good to go. Step 2. Subscribe to get access to the lot plotter. To use the JEMM Builders lot plotter, you'll need to subscribe with your email. Don't worry, it's completely free. Step 3. Open the lot plotter. Now that you've clicked the link from your email, the JEMM Builders lot plotter will open in your browser. It works on any device, your phone, tablet, or computer. No download or installation needed. Step 4. Fill in your lot information. Okay, once you're here, you'll see the lot plotter interface. Let's fill in the basic information at the top. In the owner client name field, type in the property owner's name. For this example, let me put Juan de la Cruz in the property address field. Enter the lot location. Let's say 123 Manila, Metro Manila. This is just for your reference, so when you export the PDF later, you'll know exactly which property this is. Step 5. Extract your bearings from your TCT. Go back to your TCT and look at the technical description. You'll see the bearing information listed under the technical description section. For Lot 3, Block 3, PCS 03, A22125, 134 square meters. Here are the bearings and distances. Starting point, MBM number 2, CAD 66, San Jose City, Province of Nueva Ecija. Line-by-line bearings. To corner 1, S 70 degrees 26E, 418.53 meters. Important. The first line to corner 1. S 70 degrees 26E 418.53 m is the tie line from the monument benchmark, MBM, to the actual starting corner of your lot. This is not part of your lot boundaries. It's just showing you where your lot is located in relation to the official survey monument. Line 1 to 2, S 46 degrees 04 W 8 m. Line 2 to 3, N 11 degrees 55 W 13.58 m. Line 3 to 4, N 46 degrees 04 E 14.37 m. Line 4 to 1, S 43 degrees 56 E12 m. Recommend writing these down on a piece of paper or saving them on your phone to keep track. It makes the next step much easier when you're plotting the lot boundaries. Step 6. Input the bearings into the plotter. Now let's put this into the plotter. See this input bearings text box? There's already a sample format here to guide you. Let me clear this out and enter our actual bearings. For this example, I'm using bearings from one of our actual projects in Barangay Santo Tomas, San Jose, Nueva Ecija. I'll type each bearing on a new line. Santo Tomas, San Jose, Nueva Ecija. S46040W8, N71550W13.58, N46040E14.37, S43560E12. Notice how I'm entering each bearing on a separate line, following the sequence from line 1 to 2, line 2 to 3, line 3 to 4, and line 4 to 1. The plotter will automatically understand this format. Use this same format to plot your lot. Just replace these bearings with the ones from your own TCT, making sure each bearing is on its own line. Even if your bearings look slightly different, some have minutes and seconds written as 0400, while others just show 040, the plotter can read both formats. Just enter them as they appear on your TCT. Pro tip, if you have a digital copy of your TCT, you can copy and paste directly from the document. Just make sure each bearing is on its own line. Step 7. Plot your lot. Alright, now for the exciting part. See this blue button that says Plot Lot? Let's click it. And boom, there's your lot visualized. You can now see the exact shape of this property in Santo Tomas, with all the bearings and distances clearly labeled on each boundary line. Now, if your lot isn't showing up in the preview, or if it looks cut off or too small, don't worry, just adjust the print scale. The plotter is scaled to an A4 paper by default at 1 to 100. If you have a larger lot, your property might be too big to fit on the page at that scale. Simply change the scale to 1 to 200, 1 to 500, or even 1 to 1000 until your entire lot appears clearly in the preview. To adjust it, just click on the print scale drop down here at the top. Select a larger scale number, like 1 to 200 or 1 to 500, and the lot will automatically resize to fit properly on the page. The higher the number, the smaller your lot will appear on the paper, which is perfect for larger properties. There we go. Now you can see your complete lot boundary. Step 8. Identify road access and specific boundary lines. Now here's a really useful feature. See these little checkboxes next to each line in the lines bearings section. Let's say you want to know which line is facing the road, or where exactly your property connects to a specific boundary. Maybe your TCT says line 1 to 2 is along Barangay Road, but you want to see exactly where that is on your lot. Watch this. When I click the checkbox for line 1, that's the one bearing S46 degrees 040W80M. See what happens on the lot preview. That specific line gets highlighted or marked. Now you can clearly see which boundary is line 1. In this Santo Tomas property, let's say this is the side facing the Barangay Road. Let me try another one. Now, line 3 is highlighted. That's the N46 degrees 040E14 37M line. This is incredibly helpful when you're trying to identify which side of your lot faces the main road. Figure out where your neighbor's boundary is. Plan where to put your gate and driveway. Determine the best orientation for your house. You can click multiple checkboxes at once to compare different lines. And when you're done checking, just unclick the boxes. This feature is especially useful when you're on site at your property with your phone or tablet. You can literally stand at your lot, open the plotter, and click the checkboxes to confirm yes. I'm standing at line 2, which is the western boundary with the 13.58 meter side, or this is line 4, the one that should face the street. Step 9. Export your lot map as PDF. Now, let's save this beautiful map. Click on Export as PDF right here. And just like that, you've got a professional grade lot map saved on your device. No need to hire a surveyor for this initial visualization. No expensive software to buy. Just our free JEMM Builders lot plotter designed specifically for Filipino property owners like you. Link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building your dream home in the Philippines. And speaking of lots, do you actually understand what your lot title means? Watch this next video where we break down the different types of lot titles in the Philippines and what they mean for you as a property owner. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.